Hi guys, I wanted to come on here really quick and review a makeup for you. It's for women of color, but they also are maybe made by women of color, but they also have some really nice foundations for fair skinned women as well. This one, it's by Mented Cosmetics. I ran across it on Instagram. I saw where people were like taking these online skin tests. They ask you numerous of questions, and then they send you something in the mail that's supposed to match your skin tone perfectly. And it matches my skin tone perfectly. I was really surprised. I had been looking for something really natural that gave me good coverage, but didn't look like I was doing too much. So this is good. I love it. I also purchased from them this Mented Pinky Promise blush. I really needed a blush. So yeah, let's jump into the video. Before we do, please click on the subscribe button below, like this video. It'll really help me out a whole lot. I am new to YouTube, so I appreciate all of your help and your support. And we'll go ahead and get into this video. Bye guys. So we're gonna start off with the Poreless Putty Primer by e.l.f. This just kind of smooths your pores and kind of gives me a matte finish when I'm done, because my skin can get pretty oily. Here's the Mented Cosmetics foundation stick in the color T10. I really like the stick because you can control how much you're putting on, and you can slowly build it up if you want a little more coverage. As soon as I put this on, I could tell it was going to blend really well with my skin complexion. And I like to do a little bit of a patting motion when I apply my foundation. I think it goes on a lot smoother. And guys, please feel free to pause this video and go ahead and click on subscribe and like, and I appreciate your support. If not, I appreciate the watch time. If you guys have any advice as far as a great concealer to use, please let me know. I've tried a few times. I've had a few success, quite a few fails. So I'm still playing around with that. We'll see. Now I'm going to contour a little bit. I'm using the Black Radiance foundation stick in the color Cashmere. It's just a darker foundation, and I go around the perimeter of my face and contour a little bit. I am in no way a professional, you guys. I just started kind of playing around with makeup. I've worn makeup for a while, but I'm one of those really quick, throw a little foundation on, put a little eyeshadow on. I used to really be into eyeshadows and got away from it, so now I'm trying to get back into that. I showed you guys the eyeshadow palette I purchased from Mented Cosmetics as well, so maybe in my next video I'll do one on eyeshadows. Next, we're going to go ahead and touch up our eyebrows a little bit. I feel so naked right about now. I didn't really feel like doing the whole eyelashes and eyeshadow this particular night because I was hungry and ready to go eat. But, and I didn't do it on video, but off camera, I did go ahead and do eyelashes and a little eyeshadow because my look just didn't look complete. I looked kind of, my face looked pretty naked, so you'll see what I'm talking about. So this powder I use is just powder that I probably got from the beauty supply store. Just something I use to take the shine away and try to blend in everything a little bit. Nothing special. So here's the Mented Cosmetics blush. Is the Pinky Promise blush. It's really pretty. I don't know if you guys can tell right here, but it kind of has a bit of a sparkle to it, almost like you have a little highlighter on. I did actually go ahead and put a little bit on, but it's not really needed so much with this blush if you want to go for something really natural looking. So I'm just trying to get this highlighter on without applying too much. I was really struggling to just do a little mascara here, skip the eyelashes, but didn't quite give me the look I was going for, so I did end up putting some on. This lip gloss I'm about to wear is some lip gloss that I actually made myself. I have a lip gloss line coming out soon, and this is one of the colors I've done. So this is the finished result. Looks very natural, has a glowing look. I'm gonna go ahead and post some pictures of when I did the eyelashes and the eyeshadow. I really appreciate you guys for taking out time to watch this. Please click on the notification bell so that you see when I post more videos. Thank you guys and have a wonderful day. Talk to you soon. I can't tell you guys how many takes I've done. This is like my first real YouTube video, and I feel like I suck. So I look pretty while I suck at it. I like this makeup. I should have did some eyelashes. It's too late. I don't feel like doing eyelashes. I'm hungry, y'all. I'm about to go get me some chicken wings. Good night.